Okay, coming mas. So in today's lesson, we are going to the new topic. Okay. So what topic is it? For that, I want to ask you, teacher want to ask you some questions on this slide. So everyone, please look at the slide. Alright, what do you see inside? What are these things? What's the name of these things? Mana kamu selalu tengok benar? Takut satu benar kamu tidak pernah nampak. Okay, what is this one? In English? Okay, second one. Pengasah. Okay, pengasah. What is pengasah in English? Sharpener. How about that one? Kereta solar. In English? But no. It's called wheelbarrow. And then, how about this one? What is it just for? What do you say just now? You say something just now. What do you say just now? What's this one? Stok angkat. This is lifting jack. Okay. The last one. Bendera. Okay. Okay. How about everything? You say everything. Actually, most of these things kamu boleh jumpa dalam kehidupan seharian kan? Ada di rumah. Semua ada di rumah, kecuali ini kan? This one also right? So, where do you see this? School. This one? You can find this inside your father's car in the workshop. Okay, jangan kamu balik nanti dekat kereta bapak kamu pergi buka cari berat ya. Kena marah. Okay, so let's see. First one is seesaw. Seesaw. And then, you see that? It is a lever. And how about this one? Sharpener. And then what is it? It's a simple machine. Which? How about this one? Wheelbarrow. Okay. This one? Hey, Joshua, you say just now and then you don't want to say it again. The last one is like okay, alright. So all of these things, all of these items is a machine, is a simple machine. Mesin ringkas. Okay, di mana machine helps to make our life easier. Okay, membantu kita punya kehidupan menjalankan kerja-kerja harian dengan lebih mudah, lebih senang. So imagine you want to carry a bag of cement using wheelbarrow or you carry it like this. Which one is easier? Using wheelbarrow. And then this one, you want to lift a car. Can you lift it with your hand? Okay. Okay, but before that, let's watch the video. Okay, pay attention to the video. This. Any questions? You can ask teacher. Okay.
contraptions called simple machines. We're going to uncover the secrets of these incredible tools that make our lives easier and more fun. Let's start with the first simple machine, the lever. Have you ever used a playground seesaw? Well, that's a lever in action. A lever helps us lift things with less effort. And did you know that scissors are also levers? They help us to cut things without having to use too much force. Next, we have the wheel and axle. Think of your bicycle's wheels. When they turn, they make the bike move. That's the wheel and axle working together. Did you know that a doorknob is also a wheel and axle? Turning it helps you to open the door easily. Now, let's talk about the inclined plane, like a ramp. It's a sloping surface that makes it easier to move things up and down. That's what an inclined plane does. Like the ramps you see on removal vans, which help us to load heavy things more easily. Now, let's take a look at the pulley. A pulley is made up of a special rope and wheel. It helps us to lift heavy things up high. Think of the curtains or blinds in your home. Sometimes you use a string to pull them up. That's a pulley helping you out. The next simple machine is the wedge. Have you ever cut a piece of fruit with a knife? Well, that's a wedge at work. A wedge is like two inclined planes put together. It helps us split things apart, just like a knife, cutting through butter. Last is the screw. No, not the ones for your light bulbs. The real screws. A screw is like an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder. It helps us hold things together tightly, like when you use a screw to join two pieces of wood. Simple machines are all around us, making our lives easier every day. Whether it's lifting, moving, cutting, or holding things together, these machines are the unsung heroes of our world. And guess what? Understanding simple machines can even help you create cool stuff, like building an awesome treehouse or designing a clever toy. See you next time. Goodbye.
Alright. So, okay, you understand the video? Maybe. No. Okay, let's go back here. Alright. From the video just now, what did the video tell you? Okay, there are several types of simple machines. Okay, such as this one. So, in your everyday life, you use a simple machine. Apa kamu sedang kemudian menggunakan simple machine? For example, before you enter this class, what do you open? The door. The door knob. Okay, the door knob is a simple machine. Okay. Right. We move on to the next. Right. Okay. And also turn your textbooks to the page 218. Okay. As you can see that machines are tools or equipment that help us to do our work easier and faster. Okay, there are several types of simple machine that can be found in all equipment. Maupun alat-alat, banyak alat-alat yang kita ada di sini semua ada mesin ringkas. Okay, the first one you can see is the what's this last? Lever. Okay. What is a lever? Okay, lever is a rigid bar that pivots around a fixed point called fulcrum. Okay, paham tak maksudnya? Tahu. Okay, so which means rigid bar, satu bar yang terletak pada satu titik point, ataupun you can call it as fulcrum. Okay, in this seesaw, where is the fulcrum? Mana titik ya? Titik benar. Anyone? Which way? Which one? Which one? A, B or C? C is wrong. Okay. Fulcrum is always in the middle. Okay. Okay. Good enough. How about here? Okay. If there is a load, pemberat di sini, so where is the force? Mana titik daya yang kamu perlu letak kalau satu pemberat di sini? A. Good. How about here? Okay, Joshua, sit down here. So you want to lift up Joshua, where should you sit? Tengah. You sure?
C.
Okay, every time it is whether it is A or C. Okay, that is level. And then example of machines or equipment that uses a simple machine of lever is broom, seesaw, scissors, and bottle opener. Okay, broom, top broom. What's broom? Okay, seesaw, and then scissors. What is scissors class? Okay, bottle opener. Botol, pembuka botol kaca lalu. See, that one is also using lever. Okay, the next one is a pulley. Okay, pulley, what is pulley? Not pulley, pulley. Okay, pulley. Before that, pulley, what is the motion of a pulley? Pull. Okay. Tak nak dengar kalau kamu orang sebut ada push ya, pulley, nama pun pulley, jangan kamu letak push ya. It's a pull action. Okay, so a pulley is a wheel on an axle or shaft that has a groove or a cable to run through. Okay, every pulley must have a cable. Okay, supaya kamu boleh tarik. This one. Okay, a pulley in a place where you can lift objects. This one is flagpole. Okay, siapa yang selalu naikkan bendera tu di luar sekolah? Steady. Every day, is it? Every day or once a week? Every day. Okay, and then this one? What's this? This is a well. Okay, perigi, itu perigi. Okay. Alright, the next one is screw. Okay, what is screw? Okay, where can you find screw? Susi, lagi. Pintu. Okay, everywhere you have screw. Okay, everywhere. Semua tempat ada. Okay, so the screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder. Okay, what do you mean by an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder? Okay, an inclined plane is satu palang yang naik macam ni. This is what called incline. So when you wrap in here, it says it is an inclined plane that is wrapped around a cylinder. This one, imagine this one is a plate ataupun satu kertas ke satu strip besi yang kamu salut dekat satu silinder. So bila kamu wrap ya, dia akan jadi macam mana? Dia akan jadi macam ni. This is what we call thread or bunga screw. Okay. bunga untuk kamu screw. Pernah tak screw yang tak ada bunga? Ada kan yang tak ada bunga apa? Paku. Okay. So, an example of a screw of a simple machine is jar lid. What is a jar lid? What is a jar lid? Penutup balang. Apa kena kau makan kue ku? Balang. No, bukan sebesar balang. Okay, this one bottle cap, botol mineral, air mineral tu. Macam mana aku tutup dia? Tutup macam ni. Kemudian screw. Screw ni secara umum. Okay, memang screw di mana tempat kemudian tengok. Then bolt and nuts. Very define bolt and nuts. Bukan kacang. Okay, this is what you call nuts. This one. Okay. Dia akan ada screw, dia akan ada nut untuk mengetatkan sesuatu. Okay. Okay, the next one is wedge. Wedge is a two inclined plane back to back that are used to cut and split. Wedge. Yang tadi ini iris. Dia disalut ataupun it is wrapped around the cylinder. That one is back to back. What does it mean back to back? Paham tidak? Macam mana back to back? Okay, if you see a knife, for example, this is your knife at home. Okay, your knife, big knife. Which part is the sharp one? Yeah?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
A or B? A or B?
A.
A.
B.
Yeah, right. And if you notice, kalau kamu perasan, setiap pisau dia akan ada macam satu ikan bagian bawah sini garis dia tidak sama kan dengan yang bagian atas ni kan?
Ya.
Okay, ini dari tepi. Kalau dari depan macam mana?
Macam.
Like this, right? Anggaplah ini pisau. Okay, ini adalah badan dia. Kemudian tiba-tiba dekat sini dia. This one. So, which means yang dimaksudkan di sana adalah two inclined planes back to back adalah this one is inclined, this one also inclined. Angle dia tidak sama. Angle dia adalah tajam ke bawah. Okay. So that is what it means by back to back. Okay. Okay. The use of wedge is mostly on. Selalunya wedge ada pada benda-benda tajam seperti knife, X, and also doorstep. X, stop X. What is X? Shazuli, what is X?
Mana X itu?
This one
X kapal.
kappa. Okay, plus X is kappa. Bukan X yang minyak wangi yang dekat pasar raya aku beli. Okay, yang satu lagi adalah door stop. Door stop. Which one is door stop? Okay, mana satu door stop? What is the use of door stop? Tahan pintu. Okay, good. And then the last one, wheel and axle. A wheel attached to a smaller rod, which is called axle, that rotates with it. Okay. Wheel and axle, as you know, adalah kebanyakan terletak pada benda yang berpusing yang ada axle. Axle is this one is X, not axle. Axle. In the end, it is called okay. This one is your tire from in front. You see the car tire from in front. Okay, tire. Right? So which part is the axle? Sarah? Which part is the axle? Mana situ ganda? Ganda axle. Which part? Shazalin, draw an arrow. Where is the axle? Come on. Try. Which part is the axle? Sana, lihat sana. Lihat sana. Tunjuk je lah. Draw lah yang mana satu. Okay, sudah. Okay, over there. Betul kan? Salah. Betul. Right or wrong? Tadi kan cikgu cakap this one is tire. So, if this is tire, this one is also tire. This one is the axle. Ni benar ni. Okay. So, wheel and axle is always applied to. This is the example. Doorknob and also car wheel. Okay, doorknob tu pintu yang buka tu. Kan bersihkan doorknob. Okay. Okay, dalam banyak-banyak simple machine, ini adalah this is when you identify satu persatu daripada equipment yang ada. Okay, contoh macam so dia ada so satu level pulley is pulley, and screw satu screw tu adalah screw. So in life dalam kehidupan ada equipment yang memiliki lebih daripada satu simple machine. For example, okay, the example is in your textbook. Turn to page 220. 220. Okay. The combination of functions in simple machine. Okay, what is the example there? Class, what is the example inside? Page 220. What do you see? Don't know. There is called a mechanical sharpener. Okay, yang warna merah tu. Okay, so in a mechanical sharpener, there are two simple machines. Okay, the first one is wheel and axle. Okay, the second one wedge. Okay, wheel and axle. Macam tadi saya cakap, wheel and axle adalah untuk kamu. Lihat kau. Which one is the wheel and axle? Nomor satu. The black one, right? The black one. Bagian hitam tu, yang hitam tu. This one, the black one. Okay, pemegang dia tu. So what do you use? How do you use the handle? You rotate it, right? And then the wedge. Wedge tu di mana? Di bagian mana? Bagian tengah, yaitu untuk berpusing mengasah pensel tersebut. So, situ kamu tengok satu sharpener tu saja dia ada dua simple machine, but actually it is more than two. Siapa boleh beritahu cikgu satu lagi simple machine yang ada dalam sharpener? Benar. Antara semua lima. Which one? Ada satu lagi dekat sharpener tu. Wedge already. You see? Wedge tu ada sudah. Satu lagi. No. Yes. Good. Okay. Sharpener. Okay, the sharpener have a screw. So kalau tidak ada screw macam mana kotak dia, cover dia mau melekat. Kalau tidak ada screw dia akan terbuka. Okay. Alright. So now let's do some activity. Okay, I want you to divide two groups starting from Stanley. Sebut 1, Joshua 2 sampai ujung. Faster. Ibu akan bagi kamu pada 2. Stay in your place. Duduk pas sendiri. Sebut 1. Okay. Group 1 over there. Group 2 over there. Cepat. Group 1 here. So, okay, sit down, faster, master class. Alright, so what are we going to do is, okay, combination of simple machine activity. So, teacher want you to form 2 groups. Okay, right now we have 2 groups. And then identify an equipment in daily life. Pilih satu objek ataupun equipment apa saja yang kamu boleh lihat, kamu boleh cari dalam kehidupan kamu. Contoh macam, ada contoh? But I don't want you to use this example. Tidak boleh gunakan, pakai benda lain. Okay, use other example. And then list the simple machine that can be found in the equipment. Okay? So, each group take 2 markers. Okay? Right, so we can start discussing and write on that piece of paper. Okay? Ini contoh, you must draw. Lukis lah sesimpel yang boleh. Yes, anything. You can use any object or equipment kecuali wheelbarrow. Sebab wheelbarrow sudah ada, lompat sudah ada sini, tidak boleh. So find anything else. Good job, benar. Okay. Screw is a simple machine. Cikgu nak kamu pilih satu objek. Okay, satu objek. Yang senang sikit. Yang terlalu susah kamu nak label, kamu akan susah cari. Okay, anything simple. Cikgu bagi hint. Cukup supaya kawan mengambil. Pastikan, make sure yang objek kamu lukis semua ada nama. styling. Is yan na yung is na.
Saya udah selesai. Udah gambar.
Ah,
Kami tekan tulis dulu. Ini pakai tulis dan tanda.
Lebih mudah. Pemilipan tuh yan. Kamu kena berapa? Yan. Tahu? Oke, jangan semua. Because after this, teacher will want you to present it in front of the class. Okay, so tulis aja, tulis your group name. Group satu, lepas tu your friends name, group members. Okay, let's see. So, how many information? How many simple machine can you handle? How many? Ada tak? Simple machine. Okay. On. Have another 10 minutes. Faster. Hey, ini aku mangkas kan? Draw an arrow like this, guys. Guys. You say this is your object. Draw an arrow like this. This is simple machine. Pastikan the simple machine itu betul ada. Jangan kamu tambah-tambah pandai-pandai, tambah simple machine. Tidak ada pada objek itu, oke? Coba punya besar. Punya besar kertas sebelah ini. Awal di mana? want to refer in the previous one? Okay. Oh, which one? Okay, refer. Pergi lah sana sikit. No. Keluar saja. You ask teacher. You should discuss that in your group. Come on. Besar sikit. Okay, 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. Okay, after this, what class is that? Okay, wait. Sure you finish it faster. Faster, another group already finished. Hey, come on. Okay, but before that, what is the name of your secret? What is the name of this secret? What's the name? Okay. Alright. What is the name of your What's your group member name? Okay, in number 1, finish already? Sikit lagi. Okay. Alright, so Stanley, open the lights. Switch on the lights. Switch on the lights. Ready? Wait. Ini penutup. Okay, class. Alright, group number 1. Please come to the front. Okay. To the front. Also, present your work. Come on. Lain dulu. Okay, lain dulu. Lain. Come on, where's your teamwork? Kerja kumpulan, kerja sama kemana? Hey, where's your paper? Leaf. Yeah. Okay. Group number 1, you may start.
The score is
For that, sebelum tu, cikgu nak kamu perkenalkan nama, what is the equipment that you choose, okay? Baru kamu ceritakan apa simple machine yang ada pada equipment itu, okay? Okay, master.
Wristwatch.
What is it? A wristwatch. Okay, what is a wristwatch?
Ini kelas kita. The name is wristwatch.
Okay, the wristwatch. How about the simple machine? What are the simple machines can you find inside the wristwatch? Screw. And then? Okay, which part is it inside the wristwatch? The screw. Where is the screw? I cannot see. Show me where is the screw. There. Okay, and then the wheel and axle. Wheel and axle di mana? Two. Alright, so what is the function of the wheel and axle? Untuk apa? Teacher asked wheel and axle. Wheel and axle, not the screw. For what? For setting the for setting the wristwatch. Okay. Alright, thank you. Group number 1. Okay. Tepuk tangan. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Okay, group number 2. Faster. Let's go. Okay. Alright. Group number 1. Okay. Now it's your turn to see group number 2. Alright. Okay, group number 2. You must start presenting what is your equipment and simple machine. Okay, what is the name of your equipment? Say it together, say it out as a team.
The name simple machine is one.
Everyone, the others, pay attention to your friend. Steady. Okay. What is the name? Seesaw. And then, what are the simple machine found in the seesaw? Lever and screw. Okay, what is the function of screw in the seesaw? Untuk apa screw dekat seesaw?
The screw is used to fasten the component of the seesaw.
Okay, and then the lever?
Seesaw is a lever. The position of the lever is at the seesaw.
Okay, seesaw is a lever. Alright, so the lever is where it has a fulcrum. Where is your fulcrum? What is the position of the fulcrum? Can you show me in the center? Alright, good. Okay, so everyone, sit down. Thank you. Okay, next. Okay, everyone, you bring your activity book here, please. Take out your activity book first, because my teacher is going to give you some work for you to do at home. Yes, exercise. Okay, so you may turn to page. Okay, turn to page. Okay, page 53. You must do it. 53 and 54. Next floor. Homework, okay? Okay? You have to mark it. So this is your homework. And before that, teacher is going to give you a quiz. Maybe, okay, so we'll carry on the quizzes. Okay? So this quiz is about simple machine. So I want each and every one of you to answer this, but you must not share your answer with your friends. Okay? Then the first 3% get it done faster, and also right, teacher will give you a present. Okay? So everyone take the quiz. Okay. Alright, you may start. Jangan tengok kawan. Kecil lagi kawan. Okay. Can give teacher your. Boleh. You cannot, do not open your textbook. This is a quiz. You must not open your textbooks. Close all your books. Maka, boleh tengok buku-buku lain semua simpan. Okay. Jangan tengok kawan-kawan punya jawapan. Tristan, sit down here, Tristan. Come here. Sit down here. Tristan. Come on. Huh? Yes. Okay. Anyone finish already? No. The next page there's also okay, the other page is the answer is on the top, so you must choose either one. Pilih salah satu. Pilih salah satu and put the number inside. Yes. Put the number. I don't know. I don't know. Teacher don't know. You must answer it yourself. Can anyone finish? Okay? Okay, as promised. Anyone get it all right? The most correct one? Yes, it doesn't. The next page. Alright, finish it all. inside.
Macam mana buat ni? Kenapa? Tuh kencang sih nomor satu. Pakau. Pak.
This one is a roller coaster. The first one is a roller coaster. Which one? Which one is the simple machine for the roller coaster?
Ni ada pakau. Let's go.
So kan nomor saja.
Ada tadi.
Nomor saja.
Macam
This one screw is number one. This is the number you don't have to write all.
tiga eh.
Hey, do not discuss.
Ya.
You, what are you doing? Huh?
Let's go. Let's go.
Relation to
Sama dengan pisau.
What number is this?
Lima.
Write it properly.
Tulis pembuatan itu.
Yes.
Tidak.
Okay, you want to finish?
Dah siap. Sama dengan
Tulis nomor.
dah siap. Ni kan segala segala.
You don't have to do this.
Ya cukup.
Ini adalah pilihan.
Ya.
Ada banyak sih. Terus one.
Itu kan.
Boleh ulang-ulang ini.
Cukup. Tangga ada di scroll kan, Jo?
Hah?
Sini dari sini kan. Nah, ada senyum di bawah. Ini kan coba. Dirasa ibunya itu enggak? Nah, ibunya ada.
Okay, you want to finish? Not yet. You want? 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Faster, 2 more minutes.
Mas, kok enggak?
Balik deh.
Belum, tolong atau?
Satu.
Buka air.
Yang
Kayu. Untuk nama?
yang condong. Ready, class?
No.
Belum. Faster, 1 more minute. Ready, finish. Okay, finish. Faster. Itu sigma, tidak ada nama, jangan coba lagi apa ini. Faster, faster. Ready. Okay, if ready, finish. Ready, finish. Finish. Antak, antak, antak. Antak, antak, antak. Okay, nombor 3, nombor 4, nombor 5, nombor 6. Hey, yang lain mana? Okay, mana yang dah? Yang dah teman-teman. So, class, what do you learn about today? What do you learn today? You learn about simple machine. Okay, ada berapa banyak simple machine? List the simple machine that you have learned today. Apa tadi? First one is pulley. Okay. Salah satu pulley, and then screw, lever, and then wheel and axle. And the last one is wedge. So what wedge? Okay. So lever, wheel and axle, screw, pulley, and wedge. Okay. So everyone ready? So see you in the next class. So thank you class.
Yes.